if you're stuck trying to make your first $10,000 a month or just want to turn your skills into income. So hit subscribe to stick around. I'm breaking this down step by step in upcoming videos. Don't chase business models, chase skills, because once you master them, the money will follow you. I'm 27 years old. I make over $10,000 a month. In fact, I started with $0 and just one skill. Let me show you how I did it and how you can do it too. I started exactly where you might be right now, broke, confused, and binge-watching TikTok for business ideas. I stumbled on affiliate marketing, started posting videos, and I made $20 per referral. The first 3 months were rough. I barely made $100. But I didn't quit. After learning a bit about content and social, I thought, why not help local restaurants run their accounts? That idea got me my first $10,000 a month. It was real. I realized business is just solving problems with your skills, but I still felt stuck. I didn't want to be stuck managing Instagram posts forever. Unlocking the real game, skill stacking. So I asked business owners, what do you need? What would you actually pay for? That question changed everything. I used my content skills plus my marketing experience to build an influencer marketing agency. And that's when things really took off. $10,000, then $20,000 some month. Naturally, I started sharing this on social. People were curious. It worked, for some. But many struggled. They weren't failing because they were lazy. They were failing because they hadn't built the skills yet. I wasn't teaching a simple business. I was teaching a stack of 5+ skills. After a ton of reflection, I realized I never succeeded because of a business model. I succeeded because of a skill set, a stack I built over years of trying, failing, pivoting, and learning. And that's what I guide you in next videos about. How to turn one skill into income and then stack it into a 6- or 7-figure business. See you in the next one.